Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a BMW 318d from 2011. Now this one is 115,000 on the clock. Now I want to talk to you this morning about what Engine Carbon Cleans can and can't do. This one has had a manifold clean with a walnut blast recently. That's got the power back, but the car is still not smooth and quiet, and the fuel economy is not that great. Our system will not clean the manifold. It's too cold, too much oil and water vapour mixed in with it. Ours is focused on the hot bits, so back of the turbo, combustion chamber, injector tips, piston cylinders. It will get carbon out of a cat as well. This one, not very smooth and quiet, this one, but it is getting there. Now we're doing the clean on it. We're about 10 minutes in, it's already smoothing out, quieting down. Fuel economy, as you get that engine smooth, it won't be fighting against the dirt, so that will be restoring that fuel economy now. But on top of that, a lot of modifications done on this. No EGR, no DPF on this anymore. However, it is running cold. So we're only about 83 degrees on this one, 84 degrees. That's warm enough to clean it. But on day-to-day driving, basically that's going to drop the fuel economy. So a combination of the clean, get it running smooth and quiet, get the economy back, get the emissions down, and getting a new thermostat in this will get it running back to its absolute best. Yeah, walnut blast on the manifold, great for getting power back, but it's not going to touch any of the other bits. Our system, again, won't clean the manifold, but it will do the other bits. So the two together, they're complementary. Get this done now, and then get it back out on the road, get that thermostat done, and it should be running back to its absolute best.